What's up, guys? For you people that are curious about the Tomei Cast Manifolds for any type of high performance vehicle, specifically my application, which is a Skyline GTR RB26, there wasn't really any information, any pictures on them besides what Tomei offered on their website. So I went ahead and I bought myself a pair because when I put my new turbos on the car, I want to make sure I'm getting the maximum flow and good durable reliability. So let's open these up. These are from Right Hand Drive Japan, out of Japan. And let's see what comes in the box. This is your official certificate of authenticity. Kind of cool. Can't read it, but alright guys, so let's take a look what comes in it. You get a couple of stickers, you get instructions manual, what kind of car it's for. So for mine it's an RB26 Full Cast Manifold, and as you can see, these things look pretty nice. So where the stock ones are more restrictive is right in here. So I wanted to have the maximum airflow coming out of that exhaust. So you get all the different seals, turbo seals, crushed copper washers. You get the compressor housing gaskets. You get the exhaust manifold gaskets to the turbo. Plus you get the exhaust manifold gasket to the head. These are all steel, Tomei steel gasket. Right Hand Drive Japan, as always, send you a thank you letter. And then for you guys that aren't familiar with Right Hand Drive Japan, when you log into their website, if you go down to the bottom page, I'll put it up on the screen here, there's always a little like blog that you can get on their website, and it'll have different sales that they've got going on at this time, or at the time of when you're looking at parts. And I actually got these manifolds. I got them like $350 off. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to put these on. And according to Tomei, with their ARMS turbo kit, they dynoed these, and they make above 5,000 RPM, anywhere between like an extra 20 to 30 wheel horsepower. It's got all the stock retaining points for your factory heat shield. So yeah, you can see these are all one piece, which is nice. They're not going to crack or anything like that. They're all cast. And for anybody that's curious, the service manual that does come with the Tomei does actually have English instructions in there. So you get like the smooth bolt paste, which is probably to help put these together, I'd imagine. And everything is labeled, tells you where it goes, the sizes of it, the orientation of which manifold goes where, and the layout of everything. So that's kind of cool. That's the first instruction manual I've got from Japan that actually has English in it. And for you guys that aren't familiar with Right Hand Drive Japan, I ordered these manifolds 2 days ago and they arrived. So I don't know how the heck they can ship these things halfway across the world for $50, and it only takes 2 days to get it. I can't even get stuff that fast in the US. Alright, and I wanted to bring these outside to see if you guys can see in there a little bit more, so you can see all the work and the detail that went into those 3 different exhausts, how they merge into one collector, and they're all just really smooth all the way through. It's nice having no welds. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked on these. So anyway, that's gonna be it for the video today. It's just kind of a quick unbox and sneak peek at this. So if you guys like the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I'll be back with more content. Like I said, I've got turbos coming, I've got some turbo outlet pipes coming, and I'm gonna start tearing the engine down and taking the turbos off and getting these put on there. So that's gonna be coming, but I just wanted to get this up there to show you guys kind of what they look like. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.